Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will learn how to make this isometric block by using extruded base and extruded cut. Along with that we will see how to select the material for this block and how to apply and edit the color. So let's get started. When we open SolidWorks, select new, select part, click OK. Now first of all change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds. So these are the dimensions for our block. Length is 200 mm, height is 150 mm and the width is 126 mm. So we'll make this simple block first by using extruded base. First of all select this top plane and select sketch. Now we'll select center rectangle and we'll draw one rectangle here. Click OK. Now we'll give dimensions to this rectangle. So you can select smart dimension from here as well, or else you can use a short key. Hold your right key of mouse and drag your mouse upward to select smart dimension. Now select this line and our length was 200 mm and click OK. Again select this line and the width was 126. Click OK. So our sketch is fully defined. Now go to the features and select extrude boss base. Here we will put our height. Our height was 150 mm. And click OK. So this is our simple isometric block. Now we'll cut this two rectangular portion first. So this length is 24 mm, this is also 24 mm and the height is 18 and the overall length is 126 mm. So right click on this surface and select sketch, select normal to. Here select corner rectangle. We'll draw one rectangle here and one here. Now we'll assign dimension. Height is 18 mm. And this length was 126 minus 24 minus 24. Now select this origin and hold the control key. Select this line and select here midpoint relation. Click OK. Now we have to find this height. Overall height is 150 mm and this height is 50, so this is 100. And here this length is 76 and overall length is 126, so this is around 50 mm. So this length was 50 mm. And the height was 100 mm. Now again go to the features, select extrude cut. Select here through all and click OK. Now we'll cut this portion. Height is 76, overall length is 200 and this is 50, this is 50, so this will be 100 and this length is 38. So right click on the top surface, select sketch and select normal to. Again go to the rectangle, select corner rectangle. Draw one rectangle here and click OK. Again select smart dimension. Select this line and give length 38. This length was 100 mm. So we'll put 100. Again, sketch is not fully defined. So select this line and this line. Give dimension 50 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature, select extrude cut. Now we'll put here length 76 and click OK. Now we'll cut this final portion. This length is 64, this is also 64, and overall length is 200. So right click on this surface, select sketch, select normal to. Again select here rectangle, draw one rectangle here, click OK. Select this line and give dimension 200 minus 64 minus 64. Still sketch is not fully defined. Then select this line and this edge and give distance 64. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the features, select extrude cut. Select here through all and click OK. So this is our isometric block. Now we'll see how to select the material for this block. Go to the appearance, select metal, select steel. We have so many options here. For now we select this polished steel, drag this polished steel and drop on the isometric block and select body. To change the background, select the small arrow besides of apply scene and select any background you want. For now we select this plain white. Now we'll see how to apply color to this block. Select edit appearance. Here select any color you want and here select bodies and select here body. Click OK. So this is our isometric block. We have only used extruded base and extruded cut to make this block. Try to make it, and if you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.